Imagine a YouTube channel dedicated to cave exploring, making over $18,000 per month, all without ever showing their face. What's even more mind-blowing is that this channel was started less than a year ago. And here's the kicker, that 18 grand I mentioned earlier? That's just from Google ad revenue. When you factor in their weekly sponsorships, they're likely pulling in close to $30,000 per month. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve the same success, step by step, using AI to script, edit, and create your own faceless YouTube channel. I'll be sharing valuable information that could make most people quit their 9-to-5 jobs tomorrow. Not only will I explain the process, but I'll also put this method to the test and document my entire journey in upcoming videos, so you can follow along firsthand and witness the results. This video is packed with valuable insights, so be sure not to skip any parts. Each step is crucial for your success. But before we dive in, let me explain the business concept behind it, in case you're not already familiar. You see, YouTube pays its creators based on the amount of time people spend watching their videos. Most content creators are regular folks like you and me, investing their time in creating engaging content. The business concept I'm about to reveal will show you how to leverage that and fully automate a YouTube channel using AI. With this approach, you can earn thousands of dollars every month without ever showing your face. In the example I mentioned earlier, the successful channel revolves around cave diving, a captivating topic because people love listening to scary stories. The best part? It's incredibly simple to reproduce. Let me demonstrate how easy this process can be by writing a script using ChatGPT. If you haven't used ChatGPT before, don't worry, it's straightforward. Just ask ChatGPT to write a script for your YouTube idea. For this example, I've asked ChatGPT to provide the 5 best true cave diving stories out there. Next, I'll take one of these topics and ask ChatGPT to write at least 300 words about the Nutty Putty Cave incident. And as you can see, ChatGPT is doing its thing, generating the full script for us while I take a sip of coffee. Creating a faceless YouTube channel usually takes the most time, but fortunately, we have access to a tool that streamlines the process. ChatGPT has already created the full YouTube script for us. Moreover, you can ask it to write an engaging hook for the introduction of your video and its topic. If you need to expand any specific sections, simply copy and paste that portion and ask ChatGPT to expand the paragraph. This makes it incredibly easy to enhance your content. Remember, longer videos translate to more watch time, ultimately resulting in higher earnings. Now, you have a decision to make. You can either record yourself reading the script, hire a voice actor, or use an AI voice generator for convenience. Personally, I believe that people tend to connect best with a real human voice, but the AI option is excellent if you want to save time. Let me show you how to do that. Once you've extended your YouTube script and are satisfied with the overall content, the next step is to copy that script and head over to Victory. Victory is an incredible tool that transforms your script into a video seamlessly. In my opinion, it's one of the best and most cutting-edge tools available right now. Plus, they offer a free trial, just like the one I'm using today. Once you're in Victory, you have several options to convert your content into videos. You can turn articles into videos, edit your videos using text, or convert visuals into a video. For this example, we'll use the script-to-video template. Let's get started by clicking Proceed and entering the name of your video. Now, paste your complete script into the designated area. To ensure accuracy and correct any errors, I recommend pasting your script into a Google Doc beforehand. You can check the word count and fix any spelling mistakes. After pasting it into Victory, you can choose a video style. They offer a wide range, including animated, live action, and whiteboard styles. Pick the one that suits your brand aesthetics. Once you're satisfied with the look and feel of your video, you can proceed to the next step, which involves adding music and sound effects. Victory provides a library of royalty-free music and sound effects to choose from. Alternatively, you can upload your own if you prefer. After adding the desired audio elements, you can preview your video, make any final edits, and then export it. Exporting your video is a straightforward process. Once your video is exported, you can upload it to YouTube. Setting up a YouTube channel from scratch has been covered extensively by various creators, so I won't delve into that process in detail. However, remember that setting the right keywords and thumbnails for your videos is crucial. Currently, I'm inside my new channel, but I won't share the name just yet. Clicking on videos and not watching them all the way through can negatively affect the growth of my automated channel. Instead, I'll update you on the progress of this project in future videos. Be sure to subscribe to keep an eye on its development. Going back to the example I mentioned earlier, they excel at creating eye-catching thumbnails and exciting titles. To create similar types of thumbnails, we can use another incredible AI tool called Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI program that generates images based on text prompts. It can create an image of anything you desire. For our purposes, I asked it to create a scary thumbnail of a man being dragged into a cave while wearing a red shirt. Voila! The image it generated is perfect. Now it's time to upload this video and start working on the next one. Remember, the YouTube algorithm favors consistency, so keep uploading videos regularly. Build a solid foundation of content on your channel, so when one video goes viral, viewers have plenty of similar content to explore. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay informed. Thank you for tuning in, and have a